With this week's text, we're taking a look at theme. Knowing the theme of a text helps you understand the main message or the lesson of that text. So what we're looking for is the takeaway, or what can be learned based on a section of Luce Sees the Light. So your first job is going to be to reread my book, page 216, from Luce Sees the Light. If you're following along with the video, you're going to start at about 439. After you've done that, you're ready to answer the following questions in complete sentences. The first question is, how does Luce want to change the empty lot? There's a sentence starter for you that you can choose to use, and it says, Luce wants to change the empty lot into, and then you're filling in the blank space. The second question says, what can you infer about the theme from Luce's statement? So there's a sentence starter here for you as well. Because of what Luce says on page 216 about the empty lot, I can figure out that the theme is about, and then you're filling in the blank for number 2. So what you're doing is thinking about what Luce says. What does she want to do with the empty lot? And then what is your best guess about the lesson based on what Luce wants to do? What can we learn based on what she wants to do to that empty lot? That's what we're talking about when we're talking about theme. What lesson can be learned based on what a character says or something that they do? If you need help with these questions, you can always feel free to send me a message or come to a meeting on Schoology. I'm going to keep a chat open for both classrooms if you want to talk through these questions this week. I'll also post the video to show you how to get into a meeting. So if you need support, please come to the meeting or send me a message. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later.